Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, I just got back from North Bay and I did a trade deal for a Mac Mini. I guess that would be the brand new sticker price of $6.79 way back in the day. I don't know the exact age of this thing. I don't even know if it's been upgraded inside. So the guy I got it off of, he got it apparently given to him. Fired it up, says it works, and he doesn't know much about it. So we don't know if it's been upgraded or not. But according to the box, it can go to 2 gigs of RAM. Came with a half a gig, should have at least a 60 gig hard drive in it, kind of thing. Anyways, let's see what's actually in the box. So we do have the big, huge, massive charging block. We have a DVI to HDMI cable. We have a FireWire cable. And we have our little Mac Mini. Cute. And slot load DVD combo drive. So it'll read DVDs but burn CDs. Now according to the back of this thing, it says it's a 1.6 gigahertz dual core. Let me just get my magnifying glass. I know I've got it around here someplace. It's hard to see the writing. Apple has got to learn to write stuff bigger. Instant for you guys. Alright, let's see what we can see here. 1.6 gigahertz dual core. Looks like 256. Possibly RAM. Oh, 2 times 256, so that's 512. 60 gig hard drive, combo, CD, and we got a serial number. We have regular numbers, Ethernet. So, all right, let me get this thing set up, and we'll come back and we'll see what's really under the hood. All right, let's fire this thing up. See what happens. By the way, I also scored a macally single button mouse at Value Village while we were in town. So I picked up the Mini, went to Value Village, and got this mouse for $4. So we'll actually see if the mouse works too. So what we need to do, we're all plugged in there, we're on HDMI mode, we have no signal. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Hey, look at that, our mouse even works. Oh, there's actually some programs on here. So, it looks like, hey, not bad. We got 1.25 gig of RAM. So that's a 512. How do we get 1.25? 512. I'm trying to do the math here in my head. It's not working very well right now. 667 megahertz DDR. 1.6 gigahertz dual core. More info. Memory is 1.25 gig. 2 cores. Mac Mini 1.1. Hard drive. So it's got the 60 gig drive. So it's still the stock hard drive, but somebody did upgrade the RAM in this. Graphics, 64 megs shared with the system. Oh, there we go. So we got a 1 gig DIMM in there and a 256, 667 megahertz. I wonder if I have any of that stuff in my supply, because then I could take it right to 2 gigs. So, but either way, at least it's had the RAM upgraded, so that's kind of cool. System, users, apps, burning software, Firefox. Oh, somebody had Firefox in here for a browser. Oh, and they got GarageBand. Let's see what version of GarageBand we got. I may not even reload this thing. That might take a minute. So while that's initializing, oh, we can't do anything else while it's doing it. Nope. So we're going to have to wait till that initializes. There we go. GarageBand 3. Oh yes, create. Maybe I will be reloading. Yeah, I think I'll be reloading the OS on this. But, not bad. Main apps. Glad the single button mouse works. That's handy. Alright, so the next question is, does the DVD actually work in this thing? So for that, I guess we should flip this thing around upright. And let's see if it reads and mounts us a CD. Finder preferences. Oh, we do that. It works. Of course, it's not going to run the OS that's on that CD, but alright, where's the trash can? Computer. General. Sidebar. Advanced. Other. Well, somebody made the thingy disappear. Well, we can eject the disk F12. So, good to know. The ROM works. That's awesome. So yeah, I guess I'll be reloading the operating system on this because I kind of need access to the trash can. I don't know where they stuck it. Wow, they got a lot of weird videos on this thing. Okay, yeah, it should be reloaded anyhow. But so it's got 10411 on it now. That's fine. We can go to 1068, which is Snow Leopard. So I'll just put Snow Leopard on this thing, which will give us access to more of, you know, about this Mac and all that jazz. So as far as going on the internet goes, it's definitely not going to be secure for that, which is fine. It's not a big deal because I don't care about the internet for this anyway. I've been wanting a Mac Mini for a long time, and I'm fine with getting an older version. It's just a matter of, you know, what am I going to put on the thing and that sort of jazz. Good to know, though, at least somebody thought ahead to upgrade the RAM a bit. I may end up upgrading the hard drive. If I do, I'm going to go with an SSD. Probably about a 256. What else we got up here for icons? IP menu. Sunglass icon for... Oh, that's for our brightness control. That's cute. Never seen that icon before for the brightness. Detect displays, 1920 by 1080. Millions of colors, nice. And of course we do have an airport card in here. I always hated the menu on this one. There we go. So we're okay there. So I can go up to the App Store with this and get some stuff. We got Bluetooth as well, main system volume. Okay, so good to rock and roll. So it's not exactly high-end. But you know, it's about the equivalent to my wife's late 2015 iMac. Hers is a 1.6 gigahertz dual core, 21.5 inch. Pretty cool computer. But so this is just like, it's the box and you hook up your own display. And it works good on the 27, so I might actually leave this one hooked up either on the desk, which means something has to move, or I'll hook it up on the other side of the room here to my 31.5 inch, which may actually be a better idea. And then that frees me up this monitor for something else, and I can take one of my other computers that I'm not using that much over here and just take it off of that monitor. So anyway, yeah, so our macally mouse for $4 works perfect. Our Mac Mini computer works. So that's awesome. We just gotta definitely do a reload on this puppy. Definitely gonna need it. So we'll come back at a later time. I'll let you know then what I've installed for software into this thing. I'm gonna try some gaming on it because 64 megs of VRAM, that's not a whole lot, but I can play Quake 3 on my eMac. I wonder if Quake 3 is gonna run on this thing. Interesting. We'll have to see if we can do that. Anyways, in the meantime, guys, that's my score. Let me know what you guys think. I gotta watch actually a video on how to take apart the Mac Mini. I've never had one apart before because I want to strip this thing down, clean it all up, you know, get it all nice in there and de-dusted and all that jazz. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll check you out in the next one. Bye.